Good afternoon and welcome to your weekly ETF report. Today is Wednesday, September 7, 2011. In midweek trade, global risk sentiment has stabilized. As a result, global equity markets are higher and U.S. stock averages are also posting a strong advance. In other markets over in commodities, we're seeing mixed trading with crude oil higher by 3.5% and gold futures are taking a hit, down by 3%. Meanwhile, over in the foreign exchange market, the U.S. dollar is lower across the board. Now, taking a closer look at ETFs, now in terms of portfolio performance, according to the Trading Central ETF portfolio, since its inception, which was in January of 2011, it does remain unchanged. Now, in terms of the ETF options portfolio, since the beginning of this year, it has reached 680%. Now, the ETF options portfolio is far more leveraged and is a simulated portfolio. And we do have one trade alert for you, and that is regarding the latest Trading Central recommendation, which was sent out in late August. Now, it was to buy the ETF Trust BICK Index Fund. The product itself was quoted at 25.2, and Trading Central analysts said that the RSI is posting a bullish divergence. Also, the daily MACD is losing its downward momentum. Now, Trading Central analysts concluded that a rebound was expected. In terms of the strategy target for that fund, it is set at 29.5. Now, despite last week's consolidation, the strategy is valid and the codes do remain above the entry price. Now, regarding the IC BICK Index Fund, it was created to provide investors with a product that could take advantage of event-driven news as well as economic trends in the following nations of Brazil, India, China, and South Korea. Now, moving on to the week ahead, we will take a close look at the ETF First Trust IC Water Index Fund. Now, that fund is worth looking at right now from a technical perspective. Trading Central analysts say that the daily RSI for that fund has broken above the declining trend line, and also the daily MACD is also crossing above the signal line. The fund is currently posting bullish reversal signs. Now, regarding the IC Water Index Fund, it was created to provide investors with a product so they can take advantage of event-driven news, long-term trends in the industry, and there are securities selected for the index that derive a portion of their revenues from potable as well as the wastewater industry. In terms of industry exposure, investors will be exposed to water distribution, infrastructure, water solutions, and other ancillary services. And that does wrap it up for a weekly ETF report. Thanks for watching and have a great week.